this is HelpScreen and this is how to fix GameChanger app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm going to show you multiple solutions. So first is go to your Google Play Store and search for the GameChanger. And now guys, for this solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now, if that doesn't work, for the second solution is just go to your settings on your device and go to the apps. And then from here, just find the game changer and tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix your game changer application. And guys, if that doesn't work, all you need to do now is reinstalling the application on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then after that, just go to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And now guys, there you go. You should have a working Game Changer app on your device. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.